Imagine a world where cars run on water. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie? Well, leave it to Elon Musk to turn that fantasy into a possible reality. The man who brought us electric vehicles through Tesla is now teasing the world with an idea that could shake up the automotive industry once again. This time, it's all about water engines. As the EV market gains steam, Musk might be ready to introduce something that could make electric vehicles seem outdated before they even hit their stride. Could a water-powered engine really replace the electric cars we thought were the future? Why Elon Musk wants to take things even further. Elon Musk isn't one to rest on his laurels. He's a visionary, always looking for the next game changer. While electric vehicles have transformed the car market, Musk knows that every technology can be improved. After all, he didn't create Tesla just to make money. He's on a mission to reinvent transportation as we know it. The shift to a water engine might seem sudden, but it aligns perfectly with Musk's drive to innovate beyond what anyone else is doing. His new concept could potentially make Tesla the leader of a whole new type of eco-friendly car, one that might even be more sustainable and affordable than EVs. The science behind a water-powered car. So, how could a car actually run on water? The science might surprise you. Water can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. Hydrogen is a powerful fuel source, and when used in a fuel cell, it creates electricity with water vapor as its only byproduct. This isn't a brand new concept. Hydrogen fuel cell technology already exists. But Musk's vision could be something entirely unique. A car that uses water directly, in a simpler and more efficient way than today's hydrogen fuel cells. Imagine a car where you pour in water and, through some advanced engineering, it converts it into fuel on the spot, producing zero emissions. It sounds futuristic, but Musk has made the impossible possible before. Eco-friendly. Electric cars are praised for being eco-friendly, but there's more to the story. EV batteries require lithium, cobalt, and nickel, minerals that are often mined in ways that harm the environment. Not to mention, disposing of EV batteries is a complex and often environmentally damaging process. A water-powered engine, on the other hand, would sidestep these issues entirely. Instead of requiring precious minerals, it could use ordinary water as fuel, leaving nothing behind but harmless water vapor. For environmental advocates, this could represent the ultimate clean energy car, a vehicle that's even greener than EVs, with a significantly lower impact on the planet. It's a vision that could redefine what it means to drive sustainably. Tesla's future. Tesla has been the driving force behind the electric vehicle revolution, but this new direction raises questions about its future. If Musk truly pivots to water-powered cars, Tesla might have to rethink its entire infrastructure. Tesla's supercharger network, battery production, and EV supply chain are all built around electric technology. Moving to water-powered engines would require new fuel stations, re-engineered factories, and perhaps even a shift in branding. For Musk, it's both a challenge and an opportunity. Reinventing Tesla to lead in water-powered vehicles could make the brand even stronger, but it's a risky move that would require big changes. Will Tesla fans embrace this new vision and leave behind the electric vehicles they've grown to love? The big question: is the EV era already over? As exciting as it is, Musk's water engine concept has sparked real debate. Are we about to see the end of electric vehicles, the very innovation that Musk popularized? Tesla has led the way in clean energy cars, but this new project might signal a major disruption. A water-powered car could make even the most advanced EVs seem outdated, providing an option that's potentially cheaper and even more sustainable. Of course, this shift wouldn't happen overnight. New infrastructure, public acceptance, and industry-wide changes would be needed. But Musk's new vision suggests that electric vehicles may not be the final answer in sustainable transportation, just a stepping stone to something even better. Musk's motivation. Why would Elon Musk, the man who put electric vehicles on the map, consider moving away from them? The answer could lie in his relentless pursuit of innovation. Musk's mission has always been about more than just building cars. It's about finding the most efficient, sustainable ways to solve global problems. While electric vehicles have made a huge impact on reducing emissions, Musk knows they're not perfect. Battery production has its own environmental issues, and the reliance on rare minerals poses long-term risks. With a water-powered car, Musk could potentially create a technology that surpasses EVs in sustainability, efficiency, and accessibility. This bold vision shows he's not bound by tradition, even if it's one he created. Breaking down the potential benefits of water engines. The idea of a water-powered car is groundbreaking, but what would it actually mean for the average consumer? First, a water-powered engine would offer fuel that's widely available and inexpensive: water. Imagine a car that could run on tap water instead of costly gasoline, or the need to recharge at stations. This concept could eliminate fuel costs entirely for drivers, making it a game-changer for personal transportation. Plus, with no toxic emissions, these cars would have a positive impact on air quality and the environment. For cities struggling with pollution and rising fuel costs, Musk's water engine concept could open the door to cleaner, cheaper mobility for millions of people worldwide. Challenges and obstacles. Of course, the journey to a water-powered car won't be simple. Developing a water engine that's reliable, efficient, and affordable is a massive engineering challenge. The process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen requires energy, which has traditionally been too high to make water engines practical. But Musk's track record shows that he's not one to back down from technical challenges. Just as he defied the skeptics with Tesla and SpaceX, he may find a way to make this technology viable on a large scale. Additionally, there are regulatory and infrastructure challenges. New types of fuel would require new fueling stations, new regulations, and significant public acceptance. If anyone can bring this idea to life, however, it's Elon Musk. What this means for the automotive industry. If Musk succeeds in bringing water-powered cars to market, the effects on the automotive industry could be massive. Traditional car manufacturers have already invested billions in electric vehicle technology. A shift toward water engines would force the industry to pivot once again, potentially putting EV makers at a disadvantage. Car companies that have just started investing in EV production would be faced with another wave of change, potentially accelerating a new arms race in green technology. For companies that are too slow to adapt, this shift could be disastrous. Musk's water-powered concept could ultimately lead to a new breed of water cars competing with EVs, hybrids, and traditional combustion engines, turning the market on its head. The environmental impact. The environmental implications of a successful water-powered car could be transformative. EVs helped reduce emissions, but their environmental footprint is still far from zero. Battery production, resource extraction, and electricity generation all carry their own environmental costs. In contrast, a water-powered car could offer near-zero emissions without the need for lithium, cobalt, or other rare metals. A fleet of cars running on water could change the way we think about eco-friendly technology, presenting a solution that's both clean and sustainable. Musk's water engine could inspire other industries to follow suit, possibly leading to advancements in water-based energy solutions for everything from home heating to industrial power. As Elon Musk teases the potential of water-powered cars, we're left wondering, is this the dawn of a new era in transportation? Could water-powered vehicles truly replace electric cars, making them seem like a stepping stone in the journey toward fully sustainable transportation? One thing's certain. Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation keeps us on the edge of our seats, challenging us to rethink the future with every bold new idea. So, will electric vehicles soon become a relic of the past? Subscribe for more updates on this revolutionary concept. because the road to the future is anything but predictable.